in this video, we'll create a very simple floor plan, but we will not gonna put on this video the dimension and the hatch. So first, we'll remove this or turn off this graph or this grid lines by pressing F7 as shown on the button. This button here near to this model, this one, grid mode F7. So press F7 to disable or turn it off. Then I'll show you the image of the floor plan, this one. So first we'll make the first command PL, short for polyline. It's a line, but it's in one continuous line, like that is why it's mentioned as or named as polyline. So we'll type in PL, enter. Specify start point, let's say somewhere here. Pick is the left button of the mouse. Pick and release. Then we'll press F8, so it will be in ortho. It means it will be always on the right angle. So it's here on the bottom, this one, ortho mode, F8. So press F8 to turn it off or turn it on. Now it's in ortho. As you can see, it's always in the right angle. So let's type in 450. We'll start it from this point here on this corner, 450. Enter. And then as you can see that there's a window or an opening. Drag. Drag is by pressing and holding the scroll of the mouse. Once you release it, it will gonna disable this pan like this. Zoom in, zoom out is on the scroll. And then pan, press the scroll of the mouse like this. Zoom in, then pan. Okay. Now we'll make the thickness of the wall, let's say 200. Type in 200. Going on up or tap. Enter. See, it's like showing this corner already. So type in 3600 or 3600, 3600. Enter. Again 200 for the thickness, but you have to go down. 200. Enter. Then again go to the right, 450. Enter. Down this 250. Then let's go to the right, again 200 for the thickness. Going down 2000. Then again from the left for the thickness. Drag. Then down 1050. Enter. 200. Enter. Down 1200. Enter. Left 200. Enter. Then 4000 or 4000, 4000. Enter. Then going to the left, 4500. Enter. Going up, as you can see that there is no measurement, so we can enter again, so it will be break this line. Enter or escape. Now once when I click this line, any of this part, it is in one single line. See, that is polyline. unlike the line command or L command, L, enter. Once you make a line, let's say again 450, 200, and then 3600, enter, escape, so it's cancelled. Once you could select one of these lines, it's not connected. That's the difference of polyline and line command. See, not connected. Okay, now here we're gonna make this 3300 going down. So we'll make command PL, enter, then pick from this line here. As you can see, you'll be having difficult to connect this line, so you have to press F3, or in short that is Osnap. Osnap is this figure here, object snap. So press F3 to turn it on, F3, or click this button here. Now it's enabled. Once the crosshair to this line here, it will show a square colored green. It's like a magnet. So that is Osnap. So once it's showed square, it means it's connected from the endpoint. So pick or left click the button of the mouse, and that is connected. So go down and then type in 3300 or 3300, enter. Now here, let's say the opening is the same, 1200. So from the left, then command in the thickness that we made 200, enter, and then down 1200, enter, then 200 for the thickness, enter, then enter again to cancel. Now from this to here, we just connect it. So type in, it's either PL or line. Let's say line, enter. Pick from this end or make the crosshair near to the end. It will make a magnet. Pick or left click the mouse. Then here, endpoint. So pick again, then enter. Now once I select this is the polyline, continuous line, or single line. Escape to cancel. This is the line, and this is again polyline. So if you want to connect this thing all together, just type in J or join in short, enter. Select source of the object, select this, then the other, then enter. Once I select this, it's now in one single line. So what we'll do is now for this, we'll just make a line again. Line, command, enter. Pick from the edge or this corner, make it straight. Then again, or press enter again, so it will repeat to the last command, which is line. Make it here, then like this, then again here, pick, enter, and then pick, enter, or escape. Now this one, pick, then pick, escape, then enter, then pick this, then here also. Now here we just make a line from this corner or from the other corner like this. Then the third command will be the offset. Offset is like it will make an offset of an object. Let's say this line, so we'll make an offset of 200. So type in O. You can see it here, it's offset. Short is the in short is O, so enter. Then it says here specify offset distance or, so type in 200, enter. Select object to offset, let's say this line to make it 200, so pick. You can see here that it shows another line, same line, parallel to this line here. So once I put it up, it will go up the offset, go down, the offset will be on the down. So pick, then enter or escape. Now we have to connect this line to this line. So the other command for that is fillet or chamfer. Let's try first the fillet. Type in F, fillet, then enter. Select this, then this. So first is this one, pick. It says here select second object, so this is the second object. So do not put any number for the radius, just make it still 0 or default as 0 already. So let's say pick this one. It will already showing that this is the corner. If it's this one, be like this or like this. So this one, select or pick, then again enter. It will repeat the fillet again. Select this, then this one, so it will be corner here. Then select this and press delete. We don't need this anymore. Then same thing here, fillet, F, enter. Pick this and this one, enter again, pick, and this. So now you have a simple floor plan. So we'll just make another line here. We forgot. Command in L, enter, pick, and pick this one. Then there's a line on the middle. So again, line, enter. You will see here, this is endpoint, this is endpoint. There's another point here, so it's not enabled. So right click on this Osnap for the setting. Right click, object snap setting, click, check the midpoint, then OK. Now once we put this crosshair on the middle of this line, that's the midpoint. So pick like a triangle shape and then pick here. So that's it. This is your first very simple floor plan with door opening and the window. Next part will be putting the hatch and the dimension. And save the file by pressing Ctrl S.